guys, welcome back to my channel.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
So today we're going to do the emerald necklace, hence the green. On camera it looks just green, but there's a shimmer there. I'll zoom in for you guys, and I'm going to do this eye for you guys to see exactly which colors I'll be using for the emerald necklace. Let me show you guys how the emerald necklace is. It's pretty simple, and there's a ring that I want to pair it with. So the necklace is like so. It's just a simple beaded necklace. It's very pretty though, but it's just simple. And then I have this ring. I love this ring so much. So it has an emerald kind of stone in the middle. Yes, I want to pair that, the brass gold and the emerald there, and this silver diamonds. Those are the colors that I'm going for this look. So this is our inspiration today, and let's get into this one. And so it's a very subtle orange. I don't want to make it too bright because then it will just be the center of everything. So the next color I'll be using is a dark brown, and I just want to put it as close to the orange as possible, but not hiding the orange. So what I want to do is pack it right there in my crease, like dabbing, and then I continue blending the eyeshadow. I want to make it as dark as possible, just to make it a very transitional color. I'm already happy with how that looks already, but I just want to make it perfect, so I'm just going to continue with it. And so the next color that I want to use is a very dark green. This green, that's the color that I want to use, and this color is just going to mirror out the emerald that I'll be putting on last. So I don't want to put too much with this one. I just want to tint it on my eyes, just to put a shadow for the emerald that is coming on top. And then the next color that I'll be using is this emerald shimmer. I wish I can show you guys, but it broke. So you can see how shimmery that is. And I just want to put it on the center of my eyes, dragging it back a little, not too much. And then the next color that I'll be using is this green. It's a bright green. So I'm just going to put it there on the front part of my eye and dragging it back a little, not to cover the emerald, emerald green. Goodness. So that's what I'm doing right now, just dragging it a bit back. Make sure you don't cover the dark color way too much. You can do this with your finger. I feel like shimmers become more shimmery with your fingers. I don't know if it's the heat from your fingers or the natural oils from your body, but it just does that. So that's what I want to do. I want to leave it right there, and then I'm going to come back with the brown again to clean off all these fallen colors on top of the brown. So the next color, I want to remove all this shimmer here so that I can put the final color and then carry on with the makeup. So the next color that I'll be using is silver. This silver color will translate to the ring diamonds. So yeah, and then the next thing that I'll be doing is a eyeliner, and I'm using brown. I don't want to make it too harsh. I'll be using this pot gel to line my winged liner, just like that. Done yet with the eyes, so stay tuned until the end so you can see the final eye look, the emerald eye look. So I'm just going to put some primer on my face. Oh, I took too much. I'll be using this Opal makeup foundation in the color, what's the color of this? Oh lord, there's no color. Oh, nutmeg. That's my color. Then I'm going to conceal under my eyes. So I've been thinking of doing a video about concealer and contour and how those two products work. If you're interested, please leave it in the comments below and tell me that you're interested in learning about contour and concealing, that I could do that video for you guys. Also, I think you might also like recognize this eyeshadow look. It's not similar, it's similar, but it's not exactly the same from the other challenge that I did on Instagram. So the other challenge was just I was creating a very smoky green eye. With this one I wanted to make it a bit different, hence I did this challenge, and I wanted to, you know, do something that I've never done before, that is out of my comfort zone. That is how we create makeup looks, just being creative and doing something that you've never done before. And I'm quite happy with the outcome of the makeup challenge looks that I've done so far. Hopefully it will inspire someone to do a challenge of their own, or maybe even have the courage to do, you know, just to get in front of the mirror and say, you know what, it's great, I'm practicing. So with anything that I have, let it inspire me. So I hope that this challenge does that for someone. If not, I would have tried anyways, you know, and someone would have appreciated the fact that I did something different and something that people haven't done before. I hope people haven't done it and I just, you know, haven't seen it, but I've tried to look for it. I haven't found. If you have and have seen someone do this kind of challenge exactly like this one, please tell me their name so I can check it out and give them credit at least, you know, because you know, you don't want to make it seem like I stole the ideas. I'll just give them credit and say, you know what, but obviously I haven't seen from them, but I'll just say I've done the same thing, you know, If anyone would like to book my services, I'll leave an email address where you can contact me and book my services through that email. What I wanted to do now is take that green that I showed you, the dark green color, take it and run it through the outer part of your eye. Not too much, just drag it along. Do the other side. And what you want to do is connect the green up here and the green down there. But also remember that you have the brown towards the end, so once you're done, you'll take this green and you put it towards the inner corner highlight. So you want to dab it tiny bit, not too much. Remember, this one is a glitter, and glitters have a lot of fallout. Then I'll be putting on some blush mixed with highlight. I like mixing the two together just so sometimes I don't forget, because we do forget all the steps. Last but not least, I'll be spraying my face. So last but not least, I've changed. You know, I have to make sure that the green goes together with anything that you're wearing. This amaranth green actually doesn't look like a green, it looks like a black on camera, but it's actually an amaranth green like I showed you before. And then I'm just going to take my, let me zoom in, I'm going to take my eye mascara, and then I'm going to just play around it on my lower lash line just to make them pop a bit. So you're done with this makeup look, guys. So the trick with this makeup challenge is to make sure that whatever accessory that has inspired you to make a makeup look, let me not just say eyeshadow, but makeup look, whether it's blush, whether it's foundation, whether it's eyeshadow, eyebrows, whatever it is, if that accessory inspired you to make a makeup look, make sure that you match it with an item of clothing that you're going to wear that we will be able to see on camera. If you're going to stand up in the video and want to show us the pair of jeans that inspired you, not the pair of jeans that inspired you, but the pair of jeans that will go together with the makeup look. So that is how we are going to go along with this makeup look. I didn't say it in the beginning, I'm sorry for that, but here we are. So this is, I think we have 2 or 3 more looks left, and then we'll be done with this makeup challenge. Don't forget to tag me if you decide to do any of the makeup challenge that I'm showing you today. And then also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I really would appreciate it if you do. I'm at 161 now, which is great, and I appreciate the people that are subscribing and people who are sharing my videos and my links, guys. Like, I can't even comprehend it. So I appreciate every one of you who share my links and share my videos, and I reach people that I cannot reach, you know. So thank you to my friends, my family, my subscribers, people who don't know me but are rooting for me. I see your comments and I'm very, very grateful. So thank you for that, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you like this video, guys. I really like how this makeup look came out. It's very different. Office wear, you're going to the, you know, galadina office galadina, not galadina where you have to be sexy and all that. No, but I feel like you can rock this eyeshadow look anyhow. So rock it, tag me, and use the hashtag that I'm going to put right here for you guys. Thank you once again. Love you, love you, love you. Bye. Emerald.